Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer product catalogs into Vendr CRM, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer product catalogs into Vendr CRM, begin by logging into your Vendr CRM account. Navigate to the dashboard where you can see the main menu. Locate the Products section on the dashboard and click on it. In the Products section, you will see an option to import products. Click on the Import Products button to proceed. You will be prompted to upload a product catalog file. Ensure your product catalog is in a supported format, such as CSV or Excel. Open your computer's File Explorer to locate the product catalog file. Select the file you wish to upload. Once selected, click on the Open button in your File Explorer. After the upload, Vendr CRM will display a preview of your catalog data. Review the preview to ensure all information is accurately represented. If any adjustments are needed, use the provided tools to edit the entries. When satisfied with the preview, click on the Next button to continue. The next screen will show mapping options for your catalog data. Match the columns in your file with the corresponding fields in Vendr CRM. Pay careful attention to essential fields like product name, price, and description. Once you've mapped all necessary fields, click on Import to start the transfer. Vendr CRM will process the import and notify you upon completion. You'll see a summary of successfully imported products or any errors that occurred. If there are errors, review the error log provided to identify and correct issues. After corrections, return to the import process to try again. Once all products are successfully imported, you can view them in the Products section. Organize your products by categories or tags as needed for better management. Lastly, ensure to review and update product details, such as pricing and availability. You are now ready to utilize your product catalogs efficiently within Vendr CRM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.